Well, una sasabihin ko, tapos na ang Senate Flix. Back to work na tayo. So, in the next few weeks ay ilalatag na namin yung mga LEDAC bills na dapat matapos. At lalatag na rin namin yung mga preparations natin for the impeachment on July 6. Tuloy-tuloy yung aming coordination with our intelligence clusters, enforcement agencies. We started the preparation na for yung physical preparation for the impeachment. We met with the PNP, the AFP, MMDA, Pasay LGU, Patinika, and other enforcement agencies. So in the next few weeks, we will focus also on the bill. So we will request the senators to already proceed with their hearings na basa na yung mga members ng committees, na elect na rin yung mga chairman at vice chairman ng committees, so they can already proceed with conducting a hearing para pagpasok natin tuloy-tuloy na yung mga discussions ng LEDAC bills and also other bills na priority measures ng ating mga senators.